Vehicle dissection. Can read ECU fault codes. After connecting the diagnostic device, select target car model. After completing the above work, enter the system. Can directly read fault codes. Drive system. The first step is to apply the brakes. The second step is to wait for the green light to start the case. After the green light turns on, click the start switch. Step on the brake and engage the gear to perform a simulation test. Voltage resistance testing can be done using a voltmeter. The display can be manually operated to control the circuit breaker effect. Control system. Connect the black circuit pen to the negative pole. Red connected to positive pole. Perform a voltage resistance test. The display can be manually operated to control the circuit breaker effect. Air conditioning system. Click to automatically turn on the air conditioner. You can adjust temperature, wind speed and other operations in the middle. During debugging, you can view the upper multifunction display in real time. Functional debugging can view mechanical changes. Voltage resistance testing can be done using a voltmeter. Open circuit fault testing possible via display system. Observe the voltmeter value for diagnosis. Power battery management. Connect the 220V voltage to the power supply. Observe the indicator light next to the charging gun flashing. Press the middle black button. Align it with the charging port and connect it. Observable current changes on the dashboard. Display charging status by observing the instrument panel. Current battery capacity charging power estimated full time. Steering system. Steering simulation by turning the steering wheel. Mechanical transformations can be observed in real time. Use a voltmeter to test the steering voltage value. Open circuit test possible via display.